Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. So as expected, ranging, and we haven't really moved beyond the two key levels I gave you yesterday, and to the upside that was 41,134, and to the downside it was 47,661. So that's kind of the range we found ourselves in. If we look to the left, you can see the chaos of the past. If we break this to the downside, then there's very little to hold us up, to be honest. There's two levels that I think would be targeted here, and that would be 45.60 and 44.30. That's kind of what you'd be looking for to the downside. We break to the upside, then I'd expect this trend to continue. You'd probably find a tight, well, it won't be a tight range, but it'll definitely be a fairly large channel, not a range, that'll form. So if we drill down through the time frames, have a look. We did talk about if you're looking to short, you wanted to short off that, and you were looking for price to hit one of these levels for support. That's exactly what happened. If you look left, I'll just put these levels back in. I did delete them this morning. You can see this zone of support that's here. We broke up to the upside, so that was the only option that you would have had, was from there to there, which was 150 points, 155 points. It's not too shabby, but we're in amongst the moving averages here on the 3 hours, so essentially ranging. We are waiting for non-farm payrolls. I can pretty much guarantee you that, and that's only on Friday. So right now could be a flag forming, could be a new trend forming, trend line forming to the upside. Oscillator's not helping anything. On the hour, we're in amongst all the moving averages, so you know, you'd only be looking for longs once we get above 41,135. We need to get back above that, come back and test it, and then you can start looking for longs. Shorts, and you can see this wasn't exact on the hour. We'll have a look on the 15-minute, but the short opportunity wasn't exact. Short opportunity is obviously below the low of yesterday, and you can probably be a bit aggressive and take this little low here, which would be 48.60. So break below that and retest of the zone, you're looking at the next level of support at 45.62. I wouldn't hold on to shorts, that's for sure. Now if we just look at the 15 minutes just to get our hindsight view, yeah, you see that wasn't exact. So I can guarantee you I wouldn't have taken that short, but I sat back and didn't do anything. There's the level, and we closed above it. I definitely wouldn't have taken that trade, and probably some people that did. And there's also some buyers that came in off the bottom here. So this is just typical of waiting. So when the market's waiting for better days or waiting for better structure, this is what's happening. So I'm going to join the queue. If we break above 41,145 to the upside and retest, I'll definitely look for some longs. I'm not even going to bother with shorts, to be honest. I think we're going to get interest rate cuts. There's going to be a shift in sentiment brewing shortly. We just need to get through this tech stock chaos that we're in at the moment, and then we should find out some stability, hopefully, and continue moving to the upside. Anyway, that's kind of my view for the moment. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.